In the shadows of the wild, a silent war is being waged, one you cannot see, but its impact is devastating. Sexually transmitted diseases aren't just a human burden. They are the ultimate biological hitchhikers, shaping the evolution of entire species. Tonight, we descend into the mysteries of the animal kingdom's most infected, the dirtiest animals on Earth. From the deep oceans to the high canopies, no corner of the Earth is safe from these invisible invaders. They don't just kill, they rewrite the genetic code, forcing life to adapt in ways we are only beginning to understand. Resilience is the hallmark of life, but even the strongest must face the challenge of a hitchhiking plague. Number 10. The microspreaders. Even the smallest creatures carry massive secrets, the hidden world of insects. Ladybugs carry parasitic mites passed during mating. These microscopic hitchhikers drain their life force. They reduce fertility and shorten lives. In the world of insects, safe sex is a concept that simply doesn't exist. The mites colonize the reproductive organs, effectively ending the ladybug's genetic line. A silent, tiny tragedy. Infected individuals often change their behavior, sometimes becoming more social to facilitate the spread of their tiny invaders. In Texas, a virus turns crickets into mindless spreaders. It increases their desire to mate while making them infertile. The virus ensures its own survival by driving the host to mate as much as possible before it dies. A true biological zombie. Normal crickets avoid danger. Infected crickets seek out mates with a reckless abandon that borders on the supernatural. This manipulation is a masterpiece of viral evolution, turning a host's natural instincts against its own survival. Number 9. The socialites of the sea. Dolphins are known for their intelligence, but their social lives come with a heavy price. Dolphins are incredibly friendly, often interacting across different species and even inanimate objects. This social fluidity is their downfall. Atlantic bottlenose dolphins are frequently plagued by genital warts and cancers, fueled by their complex and frequent social interactions. These infections can lead to massive, uncomfortable lumps that make even swimming a challenge for these aquatic gymnasts. Researchers have found that some of these viral strains are directly linked to the development of malignant tumors. It is a slow, oceanic plague. While their bodies fight the infection, the sheer frequency of their social encounters makes complete eradication impossible. The ocean acts as a massive reservoir for these viruses, allowing them to drift and persist between social groups. As the climate changes, these social structures may shift, further altering the path of infection in the deep. Number 8. The rabbit plague. In the 1950s, a man-made biological weapon turned into an uncontrollable nightmare for rabbits. Myxomatosis was released to control rabbit populations. It causes horrific swelling of the eyes, ears, and mouth, leading to a brutal end. The virus spread like wildfire, devastating billions. It is a reminder of how humans playing Mother Nature can lead to biological disaster. But nature fought back. Some rabbit populations have evolved a natural resistance, a genetic armor against the virus that once decimated them. It is an evolutionary stalemate. The virus remains, but the rabbits have found a way to survive in its presence. For now, the release of Myxomatosis remains one of the most studied cases of biological control in human history, a lesson in unintended consequences. The rabbit's survival is written in their DNA, a testament to the power of natural selection in the face of annihilation. As the virus continues to mutate, the rabbits must keep pace in a never-ending evolutionary arms race. Number 7. The silent reservoirs. In the wild, baboons carry a secret that connects their evolutionary path directly to our own. In Senegal, up to 90% of baboons test positive for a strain of syphilis. It causes severe structural damage to their genitalia. Scientists believe these simian strains act as a reservoir, complicating global efforts to eradicate human diseases like yaws. Social grooming and mating are the primary drivers. In these tight-knit communities, an infection in one often means an infection in all. The damage can be irreversible, leading to a permanent change in the reproductive health of the entire troop, a hidden weight on their survival. The social hierarchy of the troop is often reshaped by the disease, as infected individuals may lose their status or reproductive rights. Recent studies across Africa reveal a shocking consistency in infection rates, suggesting this is a deeply rooted part of their biology. The crossover between species is a constant threat, a bridge that has been crossed before and could be crossed again. Managing health in wild populations is a monumental challenge, a task that requires us to understand the invisible webs of infection. Number 6. The living cancer. For the Tasmanian devil, an aggressive bite during mating is a literal death sentence. Since 1996, devil facial tumor disease has caused a population collapse. This unique, living cancer is passed through direct contact. The tumor cells themselves are the infectious agent, hijacking the devil's immune system, which fails to recognize them as invaders. Faced with extinction, the devils are evolving. They are reaching sexual maturity earlier, breeding before the tumors can take their lives. This precocial breeding is a desperate evolutionary gambit, a race to ensure the next generation survives before the parents succumb. Some devils are showing signs of a developing immune response, a natural defense that could save the species from the brink of total collapse. The island of Tasmania is a battleground where evolution is happening in real time, a saga of survival against a biological ghost. Contagious cancers are rare in nature. Understanding how they work could unlock secrets to our own fight against the disease. The future of the Tasmanian devil hangs in the balance, a story of resilience that inspires scientists across the globe. Number 5. Our closest relatives. Chimpanzees face a plague that looks hauntingly familiar to the one we fight today. Simian immunodeficiency virus, or SIV, is the precursor to HIV. In some regions, over 60% of chimps are infected. Long-term studies show that infected chimps are up to 16 times more likely to die than those without the virus. It is a silent killer. But chimps are smart. They've been observed using self-medication, picking specific plants with medicinal powers to treat themselves. These plants have anti-parasitic and antiviral properties. It is a primitive yet effective form of healthcare in the heart of the jungle. This knowledge is passed down through generations, a cultural defense against a biological enemy that seeks to destroy them. Chimps have co-evolved with SIV for thousands of years, leading to a complex relationship between the virus and their immune systems. The same social bonds that define their species also provide the paths for the virus to travel. A double-edged sword of connection. Long-term field studies, like those at Gombe, have been instrumental in revealing the true impact of SIV on wild populations. Their story is one of adaptation and intelligence, a mirror that reflects our own struggle with global pandemics. Number 4. The ancient enemy. Our canine companions harbor one of the oldest continuous cell lines on the planet. Canine transmissible venereal tumor is a living cancer, thousands of years old, passed verbatim from host to host during mating. It is one of the most successful parasites on Earth, originating from a single founder dog several millennia ago. The founder dog's cells still live today, hitchhiking through the global dog population in an eternal quest for survival. Unlike other animal plagues, CTVT is highly treatable. Chemotherapy can wipe out the ancient invader, offering a second chance to our best friends. The social structure of free-roaming dogs is the engine of transmission, a cycle that persists wherever dogs live in close proximity. This parasite has refined its ability to evade the canine immune system, becoming a master of biological disguise. By studying CTVT, scientists are gaining insights into how cancer cells can become infectious, knowledge that could revolutionize human medicine. With widespread treatment and awareness, we can turn the tide against this ancient enemy and ensure a healthier future for our companions. Number 3. The king of infections. In the heart of the Serengeti, almost every lion carries a hidden viral secret. Nearly 100% of adult lions are infected with feline immunodeficiency virus. They have co-evolved with this virus for thousands of years. While often asymptomatic, recent studies show that FIV can suppress their immune system, making them vulnerable to secondary shocks like distemper. In an ecosystem under pressure, a harmless virus can become the tipping point between survival and a catastrophic die-off. The social cohesion of the pride is the perfect environment for FIV, a connection that binds the pride together in health and disease. Lions and FIV are a classic case of coevolution, a delicate balance where the virus persists without destroying the host population. But when new threats emerge, like canine distemper, the FIV-suppressed immune system can fail, leading to rapid and devastating losses. Monitoring the health of these apex predators is vital for the entire ecosystem, a guardian's duty in a world of invisible threats. Number 2. The extinction clock. Australia's icon is facing a biological triple threat that could end the entire species. Infection rates reach 100% in some regions. Chlamydia and the koala HIV combine to cause infertility, blindness, and death. Koala retrovirus, or KORV-B, is passed from mother to joey at a 100% rate. It suppresses their immune system, leaving them defenseless. The cure is as dangerous as the disease. Antibiotics can kill the gut bacteria needed to digest toxic eucalyptus, leading to starvation. Recent 2024 vaccine trials offer hope, but the race is against time as entire populations teeter on the edge of extinction. The fight for the koala is a fight for the heart of Australia, a testament to our dedication to saving what we have broken. Blindness from chlamydia leaves koalas unable to navigate their high canopy homes, leading to fatal falls and predation. Irreversible infertility is the silent killer of the species, a biological dead end that threatens to silence the eucalyptus forests forever. Habitat loss and disease act in a deadly synergy, a dual-pronged attack that pushes the koala closer to the edge with every passing year. And finally, number 1, the human connection. Where did our own plagues begin? The answer lies in the wild. HIV from chimps, gonorrhea from cattle. We are not separate from the animal kingdom. We are part of its complex web of infection. Syphilis is believed to have jumped from livestock to humans millennia ago, a gift from our domesticated partners that we still carry today. The bushmeat trade and blood-to-blood contact provided the bridge for HIV to cross from chimpanzees to humans in the early 20th century. In our interconnected world, a hidden plague in the wild can become a global pandemic in the blink of an eye. We are all linked. The mechanism of host jumping is a masterpiece of viral adaptation, a process that is happening every single day in the heart of the wild. Many of our most common diseases have roots in the animals we live with most closely, a historical bond written in infection. Today, we monitor the wild for the next threat, a global network of surveillance designed to catch the silent war before it reaches our shores. We are all part of the same web. Every creature, every virus, every social bond, a complex reality of life on Earth. The dirtiest animals on Earth are simply survivors in a world where the ultimate goal is to pass on life, and everything that hitches a ride with it. To protect ourselves, we must protect them. The health of the animal kingdom is the mirror in which we see our own future. The path forward is one of understanding and respect, a journey to harmonize our lives with the wild and its hidden secrets. Our journey into the hidden plague is just beginning. Subscribe to descend further into the mysteries of the wild. Climate change is the new catalyst. As temperatures rise, the boundaries of infection are shifting, allowing diseases to reach new, unprotected populations. Tiny spreaders are crossing borders they never could before. A silent migration of the plague, driven by a changing world. Our own expansion into the wild brings us face to face with these ancient hitchhikers. The buffer between us and the wild is disappearing. When habitats shrink, animals are crowded together. In these cramped quarters, the rate of transmission skyrockets, turning refuges into hotspots. Understanding these diseases is no longer a luxury, it is a necessity for our own survival. Every discovery is a shield against the next pandemic. Biodiversity is our greatest defense. A healthy ecosystem is a resilient one, capable of managing its own internal wars without spilling over. We are all linked in this grand biological tapestry. Their health is our health, their future is our own. The war is silent, and the stakes couldn't be higher. We are finally listening to the secrets of the hidden plague. Subscribe to descend further into the mysteries of the wild. Our journey into the heart of evolution has only just begun. The silent war continues. Thank you for joining us on this 15-minute journey into the invisible forces that shape our world.